Hello, welcome to an episode of Fix a Tony. Today I'm not necessarily fixing anything, but I was doing a project this past weekend and I realized that I need to organize my tools a little bit more efficiently. I was doing a lot of digging around, trying to figure out where my exact bit or tool that I was looking for. In a other video, I showed you how I took an old index case for screw bits and I just turned it into I use it as a catch base, just a catch-all container for bits and stuff. And so I've had this now for about, feels like 10 years. And as you can see, the more commonly used bits were used over the years. They would break, they would get stripped, or get lost, or they ended up in here. But I realized that this is a similar case, that if I were to take everything out, I should be able to convert this case. The reason being is I have these pilot drills, these hinge pilot drills, and I had them in different places, different cabinets, tool bags and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of reorganize things. So this sometimes happens, right? You kind of feel the itch to organize your life a little bit better, and I've got a little scribe. This one's pretty cool. This is actually a tungsten welding tip. You grind it to a sharp point, it's sharp and hard as heck, and then I just sort of soldered it into a brass pipe. I made this is one of the first things I made when I worked in a tool and die shop about 30 years ago. Guys in the shop had these around and they worked great for scribing on steel. And I use it now for anything that needs scribing or stabbing a hole or marking a hole. This thing does not dull. So yeah. All right, so that's just first step is take out. So if you go to the hardware store and maybe you see one of these organizers and you buy it, and then over time it's difficult. Well, I guess my tendency is not to put these things back. There's a term, I think it's entropy, sort of things going to its more simplest and basic state. So creating these indexes, these cases and holders, is sort of the opposite of entropy. People don't want to put this stuff back. It's easier just to throw it away. So you can just peel this out. Now, what I'm going to put in here are my marking tools, drill bits that I use the most. So now I'm going to open up this one. Oh, here's a bit. Oh, here's a couple more down in there. These are the bit. This is a taper drill bit. Then, I love these ones. These are really good for high speed, tiny for small pilot holes into hardwood. Let's see here. A nail. Huh. Put that aside. Oh, look at that, a washer. Yeah. Oh, another nail. got drill bit. And we got drill bit, a loose screw. So that's pretty much the extent. So now I have all my drill bits, the ones that I commonly use. These are drill sizes that I would say of the screws that I use the most, that I want to drill a pilot hole or drill a hole through. These get me pretty much 95% of what I need to do in wood or sheet metal. This one came with this kit. You know, it has this sliding thing where theoretically you put a screw in there and then you slide this over. It helps to keep the screw from wobbling. I think it's garbage. I'll just take the bit. I would probably prefer this because sometimes, as in another video of the floating shelf, sometimes you need extensions, right? So if you need an extension, you just add them up, all right? Or you got a Torx bit, Phillips bit, square bit. You can never have enough of these bit holders. So that was a quick video of organizing, trying to simplify, right? So I got drill bits, and then I have driver bits. So thank you so much. If you liked the video, please like it and hit subscribe. Thanks. Bye.